A katana sword and a lamp combine to make a LED color-changing sword by Duan and Zach. You need a 1 meter RGB LED strip light. You need a LED controller. You need a 12 volt regulator power supply, a hot glue gun, some electrical tape, and a 5mm tall rubber bumpers. And then we pause it right there. Add the bumpers to the bottom of the 3D printed lamp base. Insert the LED wire connection through the hole in the base. Push the control box into the base, making sure not to pinch the wires too tightly and leave some space at the bottom. Take the IR receiver wire and tuck it into the remaining empty space of the base, again making sure not to pinch the wires. Position the end of the IR receiver towards the front of the lamp base. Use electrical tape to cover the control box and IR receiver up to the black plastic. Lastly, flip the lamp base over and gently coil the wire down the hole into the base.
Step 3 is connecting the LED strip to the control box. First, cut the 1 meter LED strip to the size, then insert the wire ends of the LED strip into the connector. The black 12 volt wire goes into the slot with the arrow. After that, the order is blue, red, green. Once all wires are well connected, attach the 12 volt power supply and test the lights function properly. Make sure red is red, blue is blue, and so on. Use hot glue gun to prevent the wires from popping out during construction. After the glue gun dries, fold the loose wire over itself a few times until the first LED on the strip is about 1 inch from the base. Wrap the connection loosely in electrical tape. Slide the base ornament over the LED strip and use the hot glue gun to attach it to the base. The next step is assembling and attaching the handle. Tightly hand press the extenders into opposite ends of the handle. Next, repeat with the opaque extenders and make sure to insert the hand guard at the top before pressing the extender. Press the handle base in and then press the entire assembly against the ground. Make sure all pieces suit flush or your lamp will be tilted. Slide the handle assembly over the LED strip and set it up to center on the base. Once you have positioned it the way you want, apply the plastic glue generously to the base and use hot glue to tack it in place while it dries. Pull the LED strip tightly and flush with the top of the handle. Tack the LED strip to the handle with hot glue. Make sure you do this on the second from top extender.
Step 5. Attach the diffusers and blade sections. Place a thin strip of hot glue down the center of the diffuser. You are gluing the top of the arc and not the 2 feet. Quickly press the glue gun side to the LED strip. Next, slide the blade about half an inch into the handle and hot glue all the way around the bottom. Again, pull the LED tight and straight to the tip of the blade and tack it on with the hot glue gun. Repeat the process of each section of the blade. Once you've done all of these steps, you will have an amazing LED color changing katana sword. Enjoy your project.